What's up YouTube, DarrenDyk here with Beyond Slow Motion. It's a pleasure to see all of you guys again. So I am working on an awesome new yo-yo video with my homie Gentry Stein, world champion yo-yoer. But before that video comes out, we wanted to play with some yo-yos in some unique ways. Welcome to Yo-Yo Trick Shots.
All these problems have been done. I've been known to be wrong, searching for some higher ground, just looking for something I can hold on to.